Hello and welcome to Nintex Connect. My name is Eric Harris and I'm here happy to bring to you another update on the community. It's been a while since I posted a video, been promoting a lot of content within the community, so replace my face with face of things or with content that you can definitely leverage. But wanted to bring an update. There's been a lot of things that have happened over the last few months within the community, but then also within Nintex, and wanted to bring you an update really quickly to share some of those things and also just kind of to bring you up to speed on what's coming, which there are a lot of huge things that are coming in the platform really soon that you definitely want to take advantage of. So stay tuned, and I look forward to sharing more with you in a few minutes. Alright, so if you've recently seen anything coming out from Nintex, especially the press release and stuff, there's a lot of news and content out there. Definitely things that are really helpful and interactive. One of the things, I'm going to actually make my screen small so you can see this, is around ProcessFest. So that's right, even within the community, we actually have this out here for you in ProcessFest, where it's a really huge thing. You can come in and get information on finding out more about not only the Nintex platform, but also how to do process mapping, process automation, the entire platform itself, and how you can leverage that if you are an influencer in an organization, someone that does change management, process management, anything around that, workflow automation, or you're building solutions, etc. This is a conference you don't want to miss, especially if you're in the Office 365 ecosystem or you're doing things with other cloud systems as well. Definitely something you don't want to miss, because Nintex enables you to do a lot of that really easily without doing a lot of code. There's things you can do as a developer as well, but the content here is going to be rich content. We're redoing the certifications, we're adding more content into that, and this is one that's more around training and more around the certification side, because we want to help people like you that are influencers, that are change agents inside of your company, champions for change, to do your jobs, to do it easier, better, and faster. So definitely take a look at the conference, find out more information about what tracks are there. The agenda is actually uploaded as well, so you can see that who's our keynote speakers. Like, we have a lot of people that are stacked up and coming, so you got a lot of good information that you definitely can get from being in or attending this conference. So definitely register early, get the early bird special on that. And yeah, if you have any questions about that, definitely reach out to someone at Nintex. We can get you more information. There's an FAQ section as well, so definitely don't want to miss this. Something that's highly recommended for anyone and everyone that sees this and that's in the community. Some other things to note that's been around Nintex: we recently made some updates, or rather there's some updates coming to Nintex Sign, so that's available currently within Nintex Workflow Cloud. We're doing some changes. It's also available in Office 365 on-prem. Your day is coming, so definitely be on the lookout for that. It is coming in on-prem really soon in the future. When I say in the future, really soon, I mean really soon. So definitely take a look at that, and also just understanding what does it mean to have e-signature. The use cases around that. If you do things with documents, if you're doing anything around HR management, if you're doing anything around sales and billing, and you're creating those invoices, or you're doing anything like that, leveraging e-signature is a huge accelerator to completing that step, getting those things approved, and actually storing that secure document back into a place where you can actually reference that from a security or a privacy standpoint, and also just for your business process. So you definitely want to take a look at that as well. Also, just around just using e-signature, it's a way you can do multiple signees now. So that's within the workflow. No longer do you have to send one document to one person and then send it to the next person. It will do that for you. So within the action, you have the ability to configure multiple signers. You also have the ability to actually retrieve that. And one of the biggest updates coming to Nintex Workflow Cloud is when someone signs a document in Nintex Sign, you'll actually be able to trigger an event off of that. So imagine you can actually have a separate process that runs when someone signs a contract or when someone signs an agreement. Then you kick off this business process. That is coming inside of Nintex Workflow Cloud, so stay tuned. That is a start event that is coming. If you haven't seen Nintex Workflow Cloud, you haven't been out there in a while, you have to check out a lot of the great updates that have been coming to that platform. Also, if you're in 365, I should wait, but I'm going to have to say it. So we have responsive forms design, the new one, the new version is coming out. If you've been using Nintex Workflow Cloud, you've had a kind of a sneak preview of it. But if you're in 365, we have a new designer that is on its way to you, and it's something that will revolutionize how you build your forms, multi-page. You also have a new rules engine. It's going to definitely help. There's a lot of people in the community that put up questions about JavaScript and trying to do set validations, or set values, or using validation, etc. The new forms rule engine, it definitely takes it to another level, and it makes it easy for you to do those things. So be on the lookout for that. If you have any questions, go to the community, and if you click on inside the community, if you actually click on user groups, you'll see a responsive forms AP advanced preview. Go there, ping Ewan, he's a product manager, ask him to get access to it, and definitely try it out, use it, and see the difference in using the standard forms process versus the new forms designer. Super helpful, super useful, and something that just makes life easier when you're designing forms. So keep that in mind. Other than that, like I said, ProcessFest is coming. You all are coming to my neck of the woods up here in the Seattle area. So really glad to see those that register come out for that. So definitely register early. And if you register, they have a note section. Tell them that you saw this on the community, and that'll help, because we want to know where people are hearing about the conference, what they're and what's triggering them to actually get involved and get connected. So definitely register. You'll be able to meet people like myself, other technical evangelists. We have our whole group of virtual technical evangelists that'll be there as well. Product team's going to be there, marketing team's going to be there. So definitely want to get a chance to meet the entire Nintex family. You want to come out to Bellevue in October for the conference. So looking forward to seeing you out there at that time. If you have any questions about the community as well, definitely reach out. You can hit me up at eharris04 on the community. Tag me on any questions. I think definitely reach out to me and be glad to help you out. So have a good one, and I'll catch up with you on the next update on the Nintex Connect community.